Oh, did I lose my chain? Yeah, I gotta get my chain guide installed. It just showed up, so should be good. I haven't done that drop, the second drop, yet. Oh, I forgot this was a drop too. So that's a little hook there, isn't it? Yeah. And then that's that other drop. See what it looks like. A little slippery. Doesn't look that bad though. I don't think you can roll it. There's another little run in here. I think that's it right there. And then you go right there. Oh, do I want to do this? I do. I'm just a little chicken. Yeah. There's only slide in my back tire there. I don't know what the hell I was worried about. Nothing to it. I ate shit on that drop really hard last summer. And this is the first time I've been back since then, so a little sketched out at it, but I mean, Jesus, I didn't even feel that. I should have done it a bit faster. Oh, I didn't forget this climb though. Son of a bitch. Nice little look out there too, hey? Oh shit, the jumps. Totally forgot about these. People ride grinder for the gnar. Forget what's happening here. And another drop. There we go. Breaking the old seal again, eh? It's always nice coming back to a trail that is challenging and, you know, riding it with a bit of trepidation, respect, and confidence. I've never actually ridden this trail carefree, if you know what I mean. It's always been in the back of my mind that, you know, this trail could fuck you up. Whoop. Yeah. It's always in the back of my mind when I'm riding some of these unsanctioned ones up here, especially when you ride by yourself. But yeah, there's grinder. Hell yeah. What's up, boys?
Bald my feet.
Whew. Well, it was nice to get back there and get a lap on Grinder again. As slow and careful as it was, it's all good. That's a pretty badass trail. I really enjoy it. It's really challenging, and it's nice to be able to get up there and face your fear again. But yeah, conditions are good. It's a little wet on certain areas, so a little bit of sketch out there. Get out and ride. Whew.